Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this fantastic partner teepee. So this car comes with sliding side doors for easy access. You also get rear parking sensors and a large boot. But inside the car you've got a CD player, radio, air conditioning, cruise control, and the car is only £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car comes with the automatic 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 100 horsepower. The car's done under 12,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.